With the maternal state.
So you support the idea that Crimea, on this, your reading of international law, Crimea had the right to leave Ukraine and be part of Russia on the basis of self-determination?
I think so.
Okay, so when will Russia be holding a referendum in Chechnya and in Dagestan for those places to go independent?
Let them do it.
You're in support of that? You're happy for Chechnya to leave the Russian Federation and become independent or join another country?
They don't
Seriously?
want it.
They don't want it, but if they did, you support Chechen independence under a referendum in which the Chechens voted yes.
That depends always on how the people's will is expressed. If it's expressed by the bandits and gangsters and criminals,
because there were no bandits or gangsters in Crimea, were there? There were no men in masks.
No,
you just imagine those people
but
on
if
our
there
screens.
are teachers, students, engineers, doctors voting calmly on their, expressing their free will, it's different. So don't make. Chechnya doesn't want to leave Russia. They now are flourishing more than any others.
After you bombed them for several years and killed hundreds of thousands of people, I guess not. When Crimea was